Namaste, beautiful studio members. Today's class is going to be a gentle and quick wake-up flow, perfect to do first thing in the morning before you go to work or go to school or before your children or your spouse wakes up. Something just quick and easy that you can fit in and that's going to warm up the body and get you ready for your day. So when you're ready, I'll meet you on the mat. Let's begin in child's pose, the easiest pose to come into when you've just woken up. Take your knees as wide as the mat, toes come to touch, and gently walk your hands forward, bringing your forehead onto the mat. Bring the index finger and thumb to touch. Relax the elbows onto the mat. Relax your shoulders. Begin to deepen your breath. In and out through the nose. As you begin to just notice where you land at the start of this day. Maybe you're still half asleep. Maybe you're ready to get rocking and rolling. Maybe you don't want to get rocking and rolling. Wherever you land, allow yourself to be there, to experience it. Lengthen the breath, send that prana, that energy deep into the body, that life force. As we begin to start this day, we begin to wake up. Now here, begin to cultivate your ujjayi breath, that ocean-sounding breath, by constricting the back of the throat gently as you inhale through the nose and exhale through the nose. Again, like this, inhale in, ujjayi breath. Exhale, listen to the ocean in your throat, in your body, in your being. Continue. Two more. And last one. On your next inhale, rock forward into tabletop. Take your wrists underneath your shoulders, your knees underneath your hips. Lightly engage your core. Inhale, draw the collarbones wide. Tailbone lifts towards the sky. Heart opens. Exhale, round through your back. Your chin comes into the chest. Inhale, open. Glide your shoulder blades down and back. And exhale, round. If you can only do one thing in the morning to wake yourself up, let it be cat-cow. It brings circulation into the spinal fluid, brings mobility into the back after a long night of sleeping, and just is an all-around good stretch. Last one. Excellent. Inhale, come back to center. Walk your hands forward an inch or two, and exhale, sink into child's pose. Inhale, rock forward, drop the hips, come into cobra, bend the arms, the elbows. Exhale, press to child's pose, really deepening the stretch now. Inhale, rock forward. Exhale, press back. We'll do 3 more. Go at your pace. Open your heart. Last 2. Last 1. Beautiful. Inhale back to tabletop. Flip the toes under. Lift the hips. Downward facing dog. Pedal through the feet, bending one leg and then the other. Shake the head, yes and no. Begin to bring oxygenation and blood into the stiff places from sleep. Continue with your Ujjayi breath. Being slow and intentional with that breath. Nice. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, rock forward. Take a big, big knee circle with that right knee. And exhale, kick it back. Or inhale, kick it back rather. Exhale, big rounding circle with that knee. Inhale, kick it back, 3-legged dog. And again, 3. 4, really get into that side body, get into that hip. And 5. Awesome. Step it down. Downward facing dog. Inhale the left leg up. And same thing on the other side. Exhale, big rounded circle. Rock forward to plank. Inhale, kick it up. 2. 3. 4. And 5. Beautiful. Downward facing dog. Walk the hands to the back of the mat. Forward fold. Grab opposite elbows above the head. Draw the chin into the chest and take a gentle sway to the left and the right. Excellent. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Walk the hands forward, back into downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg lifts. Exhale, step it through, drop the left knee down. Inhale, low lunge. Waking up the hip flexors, take a nice stretch. Right hand to the right hip, reach up and over with your left arm. Left palm down. Pinky leading. Squeeze your thighs together to engage the legs and reach your fingertips a little bit farther away to create more space in the left ribs. Beautiful. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back to plank. And then bring the belly all the way to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, press it back to downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, step it through, drop the right knee down, come on up, low lunge. Squeeze your thighs together to engage the legs, get a lot of length out of that pelvic bowl, lift through your torso. And then take the left hand to the left hip, reach up and over, side bend, right side, or reaching to the left. Keep energy in your fingertips. Stretch through that whole right side of the body. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, plant the palms, step it back, plank. Bring the belly to the mat. Inhale, cobra. Exhale, downward facing dog. From here, keep your hands where they are, keep your head where it is, and then keeping the legs straight, lift the heels up and release. Lift them up and release. Sort of tapping on the heels. And now keeping the legs straight again, press up through the right heel. So your hips are now wonky, and then release back down. And then left, keeping the legs straight, and back down, right? And down, left. And down, one more each side. Beautiful. Now walk the hands once again to the back of the mat, forward fold. Bend the knees deeply, draw the chin into the chest. Inhale, roll up to standing. Reach the arms up, and then take the hands behind you to clasp. Open the heart. Inhale, lift your heart high. Exhale, forward fold. With that clasp, opening across the shoulders, let the head be heavy. Release the clasp. Walk the hands forward to downward facing dog. Lift onto the heels, bend the knees, hop to the front of the mat. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, swoop up. Exhale, hands to prayer. Inhale, reach. Exhale, side bend to your right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, side bend to your left. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, hands to prayer. And I hope that this has fully warmed you up. And I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day. Namaste.